Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to center a table in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then search for Google and then Docs. Okay, and then you need to click on this first link here that will appear here, and you need to click on this first link, and then you need to click on this option where it says go to Docs. And from here basically you just need to click on this blank page here, and a blank page will be inserted in the Docs here. So first of all, we will make a table here. So go to the insert table templates, and then you can basically select any table. So I will just select this one, project assets. So let's assume that your table is not in center here. Okay, so you will select your table here. Basically in the table, just basically press Ctrl plus A, and it will select your table only. Okay, and then you need to go into this format option, and here you can see align and intent. So you just need to click on this option where it says center. So now you can see that our table and its contents are now in the center of the page. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.